Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the word meanings, rhyming words, and make sentences of the poem The Bird's Bath. The word meanings. Number 1, lined. Lined means bordered. Number 2, pebbles. Pebbles are small, smooth stones. Number 3, robins. Small birds. Number 4, flutter. Flutter means to fly. Number 5, spattering. Spattering means scattering. Number 6, flash. It means fly away quickly. Number 7, delight. Delight means happiness. Next we come to write the rhyming words of number 1, pool. Rhyming with pool is the word cool. Number 2, drink. Rhyming with drink is brink. Number 3, splash. Rhyming with splash is flash. Number 4, buy. Rhyming of buy is high. Number 5, bright. Rhyming word of bright is delight. Number 6, maid. Rhyming word for maid is laid. Next we come to make sentences. The first word is pebbles. I made the sentence, there are lots of pebbles on the way. Second, robins. Sentence with it is, the robins sang sweetly. Number 3, pool. Sentence, the water in the pool is clean. Number 4, garden. Sentence, there are pretty flowers in the garden. Children, you can make sentences of your own also with these words.